This show is probably going to be your favorite episode because it features very little of me. Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. It's episode 41 of What's on the Bench Weekly. And if you're not familiar with What's on the Bench, it's where I take you through projects. Maybe do some painting or weathering, which is exactly what we're doing tonight. And you're not going to see very much of me because this is going to be a very quiet video, just going through the steps of painting one of these Porsche 911 turbo motors. I did this one for Josh. That's why it's orange and gold, because he's got no taste. But I'm going to paint up the second one for my car, and you can watch the entire process. I'm going to show all the things that I use and all the techniques so you can sort of follow along. It's going to be a painting, detailing, and weathering episode. Why is there paint over there? That's weird. And if for any reason you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you get updates anytime there's a new video from the Scale Builders Guild. That's it. Enjoy the painting and weathering. So there you go, a very detail-oriented episode. I hope that this helps you in your painting endeavors. I will say that anything like this is a lot of trial and error, so give it your best shot, and if it didn't work out, prime it and start again. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next week.